Hello guys! Have you ever discovered a poodle of pink water under your car? Like this? Let's see. Then you need to change your water pump. Down here. Under the alternator. Here we have a new one. So let's go ahead. We always start by unscrew the minus pole on the battery. It's a good idea to check the freewheel. This one is starting to be... Okay, it's still working. Yeah. It's still freewheeling. So this one is good. On my pump there was 2 included O-rings. And yeah, I would say this one looks just like the original one. Let's see if you can remove these water hoses. This one is moving. Okay, finally got all the hoses off. Then you need a 19mm deep socket to take this one off. Oh, that one was a little shorter. So what's that? This one is I think it says 87 degrees. I don't know if it's possible to see this. New ring. On some forums they say I need to change the thermostat to a 80-degree one. So I got this one from Brickworks, which says, I don't know if it's possible to see it, but on the top here it says 80 degrees. And it even comes with an O-ring, which is the same type as was with the water pump. So then this one was 87 degrees. It looks a little different. This one has some, I don't know, breather or something, letting the water through. This one does not. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Strange that this is made of plastic. I would like it if it was made of metal, aluminum something. But that's what we have to work with, so and there we have it. Then let's put it back in the car. Oh yes, much better. Super smooth and nice. This one stay here? No, it will not. I need some grease to glue it in place. A small dab of grease and it is stuck in place. And then these bolts, the short one was on top here, the long one was here. Forgot this one. Fuck. Yes! Did it! Okay, there we have it. Then just when you have refilled it and the bleed the system, you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.